How to make a second YouTube channel under the same account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for settings. Here, in this particular interface, tap on the add or manage your channels option you see there, and now you will be able to see all the channels created with that particular account. Simply tap on the create a channel option you see there, and you will then be required to enter a profile picture, which is totally optional. So you can select a profile picture if you want, and if not, then simply enter a name for your new YouTube channel and then go ahead and enter the handle. You can also customize your handle if you do not like the recommendation by YouTube. Finally, tap on the create channel option you see there, and with this, your channel will be created. So this was about how you can make a second YouTube channel under same account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.